My name is Norma Ward, and I have been working in social services since 1996, providing women's health care, providing mental health, working with people that have been involved in various addictions. And my career has wrapped around, so I've never left what I did. I saw things happening around me, but it didn't affect me in the way that it affected a lot of other people. I would kind of go in and try to help. So I think the safety is that I had such an incredible support system. It kept me safe. It helped me to feel safe. It made me feel like I can step over into another territory and still be safe. It's something that was ingrained in me. And I think the healing for me has come through other people. I watch you go through the pain. I feel the pain, but at the same time, I'm trying to bring you out of that and let you know that you can heal from the pain. So I've been affiliated with BOSS for over 20 years. Working in the shelter, I learned a lot, I saw a lot. And I think from there, I try to tie in everything I do because I think everybody needs everything. I think what drives me is that people don't get sometimes what they need. And I think that comes from sometimes people providing the service are not that comfortable with the population that they work with. I've always felt that because you might have been involved in something, it doesn't mean you can work in it. We all work in agencies for each other. And I think we need to be able to know when we need to step back, know when we need to move forward, know when we don't have enough information, know when we need more information. So that's kind of how I work. That's been my blessing. I became a part of this program because I met Daryl Allums. He told me about what it was, and so I immediately started asking him about how he takes care of himself with the population that he works with, because he's working in the street. So I told him, I said, I would really like to offer my services to you to work with the Incredible Messengers, to make sure that they are getting the support that they need, and that kind of frees you up to deal with what you need to deal with. So that's how I got involved. I didn't know I was going to end up doing a training for them. What I do is I give them me. And it's been such a rewarding experience for me to go back to the street outreach that I used to do in West Oakland, and to know that it's still being done, to know the magnitude of what Truck does. Lisa, Tina, everybody, it's interesting that they're doing this and a lot of people don't even know about it. So part of my work with them is to spread the word about Adamika Village and to let them know that they're doing this great work. I want them to send the message to the community that there are people that care. When you're doing community health outreach that we do, when we're there, we're talking about diabetes, obesity, cigarette smoking, things that are not keeping you healthy, but we have to also look at the street outreach component, the homelessness, and they tie in. So I want them to be able to let people know that wherever you are and whatever you're doing, whatever you're going through, there is someone out here that is going to be there to try to encourage you to move forward. I want them to be able to let people know this is not a one-shot deal. I'm going to be here to work with you. I'm going to come back. I want them to have that confidence. I think for me, what will heal Oakland is the coming together of the minds. I think what will heal Oakland is that people need to understand what has been done over and over and over again is not effective. And I think that you need freshness, you need newness, you need people to come and be involved with Daryl and sit and listen. So I think what needs to happen is we've got to start to build a solid foundation in Oakland. You know, and that's one of the things that I've always felt that Donald does. He always tries to give people everything they need to be successful. And then if it doesn't work, we can't say, or he can't say that he didn't do it. That's been his driving force. So I think that Oakland is going to heal with change.